Great. This morning we are at, where are we at, Christine?
Scuderia Southwest in Scottsdale, and this is October 6th, so they always do it on the first Saturday of the month. And because it's a monthly, they really get a pretty good turnout. And I'm getting ready to replace a toe joint with a titanium piece, so I've been looking at different ways to get around, and I forgot my gimbal this morning, and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to try running around on this thing.
So what do we have here? What is this product?
This is a desert surfboard.
Desert surfboard. Who makes this?
Hoverboard.
It's a hoverboard.
This one is Horizon or
Horizon. And you bought it in order to do what?
To do this kind of video work. So I've noticed that even with my gimbal, when I'm walking around the car, you still get those steps. So I really wanted to try this.
Just for smoothness of video and
exactly.
All right. Well, you look super fashionable, and you definitely pull this off. I've not seen anybody else on one of these here.
I did see one or two people doing some things at Sport with, but not quite the same contraption.
Yeah.
And
super smart.
I actually got a little trolley thing that can go behind it.
A trolley thing, really?
So that I can get these low angles.
Yeah.
It's a hands-free thing, because most of the seats that you put with these things require your hands to operate your
right. So you're just leaning, are you leaning back and forth? Can you just explain to me how this works?
It was quite humbling when I began working with this thing. It was very humbling.
Yeah, so do you lean to side to side? How many times did you fall off?
Oh my gosh, countless.
Were there injuries? Were there injuries with blood?
No blood.
Good. Good. Very cool. Will you just...
very bruised ego.
I'm gonna back up. Will you just do a quick spin for me? Let's see. Let me get you in frame. Actually, can you go just a little further out? Further. Keep going. There we go. All right.
I love the intuitiveness of it.
Yeah.
You kind of get the hang of the momentum of it.
All right. Let's see a spin. Here she goes. Wow, she totally pulls this off. That's awesome. Cool. Whoop, there's a fun. Hey, safe. All right, Christine, will you do a sign off for me?
Sure. Peace.
If you
Christine Reed for Timeless. Oh, you on?
Go for it.
This is Christine Reed for Timeless Vehicles. Check out what kind of video we were getting today with this hovercraft.
That's right.
Hoverboard.
All right.
And it's my new desert surfboard.
And
it's silent and smooth.
Love it.
Should be some fun video that came out of this today.
Super cool. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below. Subscribe if you like this. If you want to get some more videos of Christine and her hoverboard, at these events for Timeless Vehicles. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys.